Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Nova NG1150 all-in-one grooming kit. There are a lot of components in this particular box, a lot of information as well. This particular trimmer can be used as a corded and a cordless trimmer. There are 5 removable trimming attachments and it also comes with LED display and up to 60 minutes of usage time when fully charged. So there is a picture of all the components here and the charging indicator as well. Once again, it's written what are the 5 changeable attachments are. There's a hair trimmer, a beard trimmer, a sideburn trimmer, nose and ear hair trimmer, and your standard shaver. There are also 4 comb attachments like the 3, 6, 9 and 12 millimeter attachments. Okay, and it comes with 4 adjustable cutting lengths as well. These are the description of all the different trimmers. There's a hair trimmer, beard trimmer, shaver, nose and ear hair trimmer, and sideburn trimmer. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. So there you go. These are all the components. It comes off this particular tray-like box. There are a lot of components here. Also the stand as well. It's additional. These are the 4 trimming attachments and the standard one that comes over here. There's the standard hair trimmer as well. These are the 4 combs. These are the 12 millimeter. There should be a 9 millimeter, a 6 millimeter, and a 3 millimeter attachment foam. And this is your standard attachment foam as well. You got the 5 of them total. And there's a comb over here along with a cleaning brush and cleaning fluid. You also have a instruction manual which you should read at least once before you start using this particular device. Here. This is the charging adapter for this particular trimmer. This is the charging adapter for this particular trimmer. This is a 5-volt charging adapter. Here as well. And you have this particular stand as well. This is a great addition. All of these components you can put them over here. So this is the sideburn trimmer. This is your nose, ear. This is the sideburn trimmer. This is the nose, ear, hair trimmer. This is your shaver. And this is the This is the beard trimmer. This is the beard trimmer. And you also have the standard hair trimmer attached to the trimmer itself, and it comes with a nice ergonomic design and has this matte black finish going on. These are the length settings, and this is the power button. Let me just turn it on. There you can see this is the LED display over here. It shows that this particular device is fully charged right now. And these are your length adjustments basically. And once again, the head is usually removable, like so. This is washable under tap water. This, however, is not, which is why you have the cleaning fluid to clean this particular motor up. It's back in. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Nova NG1150 full body grooming kit. Thank you for watching.